We
Thanks,
love
Jerry.
it. Right. We've had this great spring-like weather,
Oh, we have.
but I know it's like technically happening a little earlier than it should. So the question is how long this will last, really. Josh.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's complaining, saying, whoa, this is way too early for us. Because there were a lot of smiling faces out there, but there is an end in sight. So hopefully you were able to soak up some of those bright blue sunny skies seen across our area. I know a lot of our vegetation is doing just that as we expect to hold on to above average temperatures even into our Saturday. But yes, with those above average temperatures, helping the spring season get well underway. And that means maybe some itchy eyes and runny noses as our pollen counts are now on the rise, expected to get back up to the moderate to high level as we move our way into Sunday. But then with the return of some wet weather, it starts to get dampered back down once more as those cloud-free skies are still across our areas. We hover right around 66 degrees right now as our sunset is currently in the works. After daytime highs today, managed to get back up into the upper 60s. 67 degrees was that afternoon temperature, 50s and some mid 60s found out along the coastline. But for the rest of this evening, holding on to those mostly clear conditions, temperatures falling back into the mid 40s and eventually the low 40s as we hold on to those clear skies, which will eventually give way to some patchy fog and then eventually some cloud coverage as we work our way into Saturday and Sunday. There's that cloud coverage right now, all taking aim at the Pacific Northwest. That will help to drop temperatures slightly tomorrow and eventually increase our rain potential. But for the month of March, which begins tomorrow, on average, we see about 3/10 of an inch of snowfall. Do I think we will see that this March? Not likely, just because we are expected to warm things back up close to 57 degrees for that average temperature when you look at the month as a whole. And within about the next 2 or 3 weeks, that's our window of opportunity to see the snow. I don't see anything because by the end of March, 59 degrees is that new average daytime high. As a ridge of high pressure continues to build over the west, it's this next trough that cools our temperatures, increases our cloud coverage for Saturday, and then eventually that cloud coverage gives way to just a few light rain showers as we move our way into Sunday and the start of next week. So let's time it all out. Here's that patchy fog starting to develop for the start of the day tomorrow. The cloud coverage increasing throughout the afternoon. Temperatures still likely to get back up into the low to mid 60s. There you go. The first few raindrops falling for parts of the I-5 corridor. That happens before sunrise on Sunday. A few light scattered showers for Sunday afternoon and evening. Now by the end of the weekend, that's where we could potentially near about 4/10 of an inch of rain for the Portland-Vancouver area. Lesser amounts further south along the Willamette Valley, and just the same for the coastline as snow elevation levels dip back close to about 4,000 feet. That's good news because we need to pile back up that snow as we slowly see a bit of a deficit of where we should be, just by about 10 inches or so for places like Timberline Lodge. So we'd like to fill up that 24-hour snowfall column. And I think we'll be able to do that with nearly about 3 to 6 inches possible for many of our ski resorts. So tonight we stay dry. We start to increase that cloud coverage. Patchy fog likely for some of us as we fall back to about 42 degrees. Tomorrow getting back up into the mid 60s, slightly cooler comparatively speaking to what we have seen. But do me a favor tonight, just after sunset, 6:30 or so, look to the southwestern sky. That's where the planetary parade will be taking shape. Now, there's going to be a total of 7 planets aligned over the horizon. We'll only see about 5 with the naked eye. If you got a telescope, you'll see the full 7 as we expect to see those clear skies take us through the rest of this evening. 7-day forecast. The clouds, they increase for the start of the day. Tomorrow, temperatures only getting up into the mid 60s. We drop about 10 degrees from Saturday into Sunday. And as we enter into Mardi Gras, Ash Wednesday, a few light rain showers. But 1 week from today, we could potentially be talking about a weak atmospheric river once more.
Okay, as long as it's weak, that's okay.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be as aggressive as what we experienced last weekend.
Yeah, downpours and all of that. All right,
Yeah.
Thanks very much, Josh.
We're back with your political minute.